Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm back with another Zombicide Green Horde mini. This time it is Spellbones from the special guest set from the Kickstarter. He's been primed in German Panzer Grey, and I'm starting off with Kobold Skin for all of his exposed flesh. Next up is Dungeon Grey for all of his clothing. I then moved on to the imp thing around his leg. I painted this in dark flesh tone to give it that sort of deep red look. Now I'll start with the hair using hemp rope. It's a bit greener than the artwork, but after a wash it should dull it down to match that bit more. While the hair is drying, I use charred brown to do the handle on his staff. Next up is bone white for all of the bone pieces he has dotted around his body. I now start on the details with leather brown by Vallejo for all of his belts and the armour on his legs. I do also do the boots in this colour as well, just to make them stand out that bit more from the rest of the model. I then use Chaotic Red to do the fabric hanging from his waist and around his neck. This will need to be highlighted up later as Chaotic Red is very close to dark flesh tone. Next is the metallic pieces using Glorious Gold. This is for the top of the staff where he's got the bone attaching to the staff, along with there's a few pieces dotted around his body. Last of the base colours is Jade Green for the orb on the staff and some of the details hanging from it, like the crystals he's got. Now for the only highlight on this guy, and this is Dragon Red. And this is for the fabric where the Chaotic Red is, just to make it help distinguish a bit more from the dark flesh tone on the imp. Next up, I start with the washes, starting off with soft tone for all of the mini apart from the imp thing. I then use flesh tone on the imp to make it that bit of a darker deep red, that it's enough separated from the cloth that it looks okay. Finally, I use matte black to do the base. And that will be it for Spellbones. The sculpt is pretty different from the artwork, but still a great mini. If you want to see close-up photos of this guy, check out my Instagram in the link below. If you have any questions or mini requests, feel free to drop a comment or check out my Twitch stream. I stream Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and as always, don't forget to be kind to each other.